Hey, hey. Let's just start with this right here. We're going to do a review. I'm super excited because I got these delivered in the mail the other day. Low beams and high beams for my vehicle. My 2006 Toyota Matrix does require a low beam and a high beam, and that's okay. I'm going to do a review on these, and I cheated already. I opened the boxes and I stuck them in my vehicle. It's 7:30 at night, and I drove up to my garage door and turned them on. I'm impressed already. I'm going to do a review on these. I'm going to show you the installation. I'm going to show you nighttime driving in a low beam and high beam with the halogens and with the LEDs. Give you the comparisons, see what the distance is, what the clarity is. These are amazing already, and I haven't even driven at night yet. I'm super impressed with that. So stick around, keep watching this video. You will see the difference, and we'll show you the installation on these as well, which is straightforward and easy. So what do you think of that? Got some swag too. Got the t-shirts, you've seen those before in my past videos. So thank you for watching. We're going to continue on here at 7:30. Let's get going. Okay, everybody. We're going to be replacing that light. We're going to show you the installation on this. Real straightforward, real easy. This is my high beam bulb right here. I've already replaced my low beam bulb. High beam, all you're going to do, now I'm going to block a little bit of the light, but hopefully not too much, but you're going to push forward of the vehicle for your light. Use your thumb, push, turn. There you go. Light is out. Now, right there. These are the clips that hold your bulb into place. What I do is I just use my thumb and I just kind of force my way right there. Wiggle my bulb a little bit. There you go. Pop it off. There you go. There's a little nub on the old bulb there. Take this one, put it off to the side. Now what I'm going to do before I plug in the light, I'm going to bring it down inside. I got my correct O-ring on there, rubber O-ring, my orange one. I'm going to fit it in. Fit it and twist it. There it goes. And there we are. That is in. I'm going to take your light. You're going to take your plug here. Now, I'm not going to plug it on, well actually I could plug it on top here because there is another wire. I am going to. Basically, sorry, this way. I'm going to do that. That's it. Then I'm going to use a tie strap, and I'm going to tie it right up in this area just to keep the resistor from bouncing around when you're driving down the highway. Just a light, just like that. Let's see if I can move my camera a little bit here just to show you that. Right there. I'm going to cut this end off, of course, though, to move it down. There you go. 2 bulbs installed. I'm going to remove my camera from my mounting point here. It's going to be a little noisy. I apologize. There we go. And we'll show you. Bulb number 1, that's my high beam. Bulb number 2, that's my low beam. Tie strapped up. Tie strapped up. There we go. Got them installed on this side. Just got to do the other side. That's it. That's installation is done. So do them both, then turn your lights on. welcome to the end of the video. Product review of our lights. Thoroughly impressed with these lights. Ease of installation, the clarity, the brilliance, the color, amazing stuff. Had friends and family in the vehicle driving along and they are impressed with these lights. That is great. That's what I want to hear. I do drive with glasses, as you can see in some of my videos, and I do wear glasses for distance driving. The amazing field of vision that you have, the length, the distance, the clarity, the brilliance is amazing. I highly recommend them. In this video, in the links below, you will be able to go to their website. There's also a coupon code in there as well, so you just click on that coupon code, you get a 15% discount on what you order. Type in your year, your make, your model. There you go. Order them in, get them installed. They're real easy. Send me some comments. Once you get them, send me some comments. Let me know how they are for you. I highly recommend them. There we go. That's it. We're good to go. Really impressed with them. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Leave your comments as I answer them all, and I have in the past and I will in the future. As always, cheers.